da ayebama so titiriu the callaba eba na no da coach Queiroz before yebeba collaborate see e kasa team no awo Cardiff ono mo ya hoboabo na game against Wolves no na yetimi abonyame adoma on the 2nd of June hoboabo no guso because as of enra training no according to the Ghana Football Association almost say 17 players and now omutimi training out of the 28 coach Queiroz and so Freya or the Kwakobo Sagim so 17 out of the 28 and then training our Dragon Park our Cardiff community and no by way of news a free Black Stars and so the babat and then person DB well then I can say so goalkeepers in the am say or there in your local anum you know but the alpha players in your local player bia then the second issue I'm busy and wasem. In fact, enno minya botre ko social media X, Facebook, hotitu nam koye pa. And so she yenya yenuanum sentrofo bi. And some Ghanaians and some omu reason I think a too pathetic. Say so the time flame na Queiroz created by GT na. Bi bien we chese collabo na ye. Ono na ye. F4 na ye racket nom ene ne F4 na ana akotra dem ono ma trotro names ano man kasa from place ano ma catch Queiroz say we any team I person the co-world cup Jude
Rich me da say yam fancy
yenu sentrofo
Rich unim so sad yam football no yan kasa ye kan hu na dru ba bia ye ma agro no essay Rich ya unim nipa ba kwa da bia no emobo the FA president ya the papa na kwa hye a certain position e de niema bia batare ne ho ba bedru point bi say bibia na bone ba ket papa ba dia onka ho so stadia sa na ye no ya shada na kwa hye sa position no it's Ghana football yes we agree we have our challenges. But then my papa, the initiatives, papa, you know, says, them young refereeing policy. Any other policies are what or the other, any interventions are or the other. One says to be seen as and you'll be a hudo. So, Westedia, Yankan was them that. But I dare be a since time immemorial, no way in game, that issue of match fixing. And yeah, big game, more than 30-40 years ago, Kubisa, Wawa, the AC Kotokobe ball, Emma. Yeah, the 8 to playing chalk. So what's the way be done? Yeah, the play one play now. Yeah, to the chalk.
You need Krumana announce expose.
Yes.
7 referee. Akwaji appointing. Emma, it affected the result of the game.
So Rich
here need Krumana.
Baby, uti problem be a cat a facing. And that's now breasting a buy you. I will since time immemorial. And with all due respect, ucheki a bit more longevity. When me amfa unsolve our issues no now we expect to say suddenly within a 6-year period because I am magician inti Rich I will say nyema nyina timi kugua na unti aseba Rich onim yenjai sa phone onim de me ehia me de ehia me nie hwe sa de na ekoso nti na Carlos Queiroz in the technical team memfa FM ben reason here very simple enye omo enye kwakobobo omo de say also motivate players pacho utie and for now yenti bibia say Blasters players and our technical team issue of sikasem the ministry and the FA are collaborating effectively ti bibia de honti de aka na purely technical Rich adena na person undermine Carlos Queiroz you feel say oya kra bia na no I say ye person ya say Carlos Queiroz na onim de oye me pacho so onim the pedigree so onim the CV okra Morocco squad Yusuf or Nasri Munya enemy. Into Morocco FA. And their selection no meboa. England yes Utie. England yeah. Thomas Tuchel. I know on what basis you see sometimes on me who say name ani bia. Me to me busa say on what basis? And obi be ka say sa collab we die. Because of player A, player B nti msusu say e captain ni FA ni na ye
Queiroz Queiroz, unless you don't know this man.
This only him. And here, media debiano say must be critically. A man who say cats one and come on for blaming a baby one. Rich, only himself one person for a very long time. Was top class coach at must be for a very long time. Or perceive your top class coach at a point. Son and the West in the San Cabina have you renat. Memoir. I also say FA president or person influencing Yama and call be pussy say Yanko for have you renat. Have you renat rich with your influence? No. Send young Cobepe my try my quite phony bisa and I say Cobepe or more mediocre for no some now bet me influence. But consistently, up a top class coach. Carlos Queiroz level. And also still ye guso kasa. Rich, yen jankophobia. Me pa ye ne say utie. Yen ko deliver. Sani amani na etu obecha. Eye sa yankophobia o ade obebi ano. Rich, opa ye den. Rich, what are the fefe yes o obeka cho say entumago. Eye trend position na bi mu atiki. Bibia ni wa efe we be ye omo fe. Na emum de me kan say kola bia nsu ne asase nsu a aba obi 100% satisfied. Make 2006 there was a certain player Haminu Dramani near Babe World Cup. A cromfo kwa attack no. Rich
Germany.
Yes. So okay, Ratome Djukovic. Doya. Among force identity no akwa frɛ that boy. Okay, so I can say Haminu Dramani is my son. I want to say almost misrepresent his statement, no. Rich, you call World Cup na do baby mpacho na enyo na a hero. After do point bi kra Ghana ye bobo no nka ho aye ho ntoye. Even Christian Achu, ya me fa ne krantie. Okay, say time akwesi apia friend no, amam for complaining sir. Who is this Achu guy? Ofri
is obobo Portugal.
Rich, me nka say ntia me nua bia. Be to da e bia players no. E bi ompa wonni mo omo. Pacho utie, wonni mo omo. E na bia metrics a wo de be free player no. Enye sa metrics no. E na onu coach ni be use. Coach bia wo niam a wo he. Sometimes said the ebe he niam no. Different from said the coaches e no. Our friends decided say or call World Cup. 98 World Cup. Or no see David Ginola or the menya no David imposa de kan David. Ginola. Omfane nko. Flamboyant Ginola so omfane nko. Okay that time Eric Cantona Ken Cantona. Also omfo mu ina nko. Reason ne say almost say na at a point indiscipline abam 94 World Cup France sent me and qualify Bulgaria you am free no. Almost reasons say mom dey. Rich. Obia wo kon fa so en niam. Enti Carlos Queiroz ye pese a kire se. Oba Ghana na onim so oba be ye adwuma no. Rich. Na onye ne research and on monitor football no. So onim Ghanaian players abroad and let me tell you one thing. Papa ndebia because ade ba ko pe na oye me mobo. Sa competition na wo so onya nka o hwe ye matches say ye boy matches onya bia he no. Rich ono na enya ne sa. But then Rich o person who Ghanaian player bi o abroad now person onya ne ma bi fa player ne ho a. Your global village. Ofa na ball so abenya. And this is a coach the level was through. Unim say obetimi afre team bia mu. Na coach o team num na manager no. On na dim come about the player bia. Et Ghanaian players abroad. So person from omo a. Obetimi dim komo, obehu de ekobia. Player ni history ni profile. De ekobia how tactically we use player na ebeboa. Any de wo person oye no. Obetimi agina so de afre. Mumi njai sa de na aye no. Emwa Rich, aye keta ntini yes but me can say be atro. No, Baba Rahman. And me can say Baba Rahman, no more link in
and yentie customer for the market the Ghana Football Association. Henry Asante Chum. Ebra or kasa dia fa Baba Rahman call up no. And so reason ya e ma coach Gina Suntia or the friend Baba Rahman at the bar team no. Yentie bi kakra bi na me wi amenkwa ayala onafi. Yemfa and to us Henry Asante Chum awo abrante ne collab no yenti kakra bi na fe yemfa and to us and say you need to that you need hard kakra okay
of the individual but let me say that about issue no person can be but let me say that Otto tried Chris tried before Otto Chris tried the incident I see Kumasino, it happened during the shooting style. After the incident, when the player decided not to play again, he tried and tried and tried and tried. Until then, when Otto came, he tried and tried and tried and tried. And then this man also came, tried and tried. And maybe, fortunately, kakra metumi aka no.
Okay. Enti so uti Henry Asanjum. O se abrante no. Ni reason ti ano so omo Black Stars esi Okumase under Otto. Otto try so oni abrante ne bekasa. Abrante ne si da bi da. Papa ibai ono be try na afa abrante ne say okay. Pen koma oni medie no, ni okay. With assurance ni bi out the amame no. Enti me baba bo we ever get on me.
No, that's the point. And Rich me try the.
We have
now feel say Chris Hilton try ya say obenya player no. Na Otuado nso try because of the quality. Meboa. Because of the level the quality. Wa share just but say Europa now monitor. So one of the finest talent in Europa.
Barbara man.
Inti me bo say no yemfa etan nye ade anase yemfa quality. No mummy jai sad and Rich. Me and make us say do baby na FA president or mobile cause aso bi da sorry ya o kwa afidie so ano e cat wa plane eno a o kwa e chese o di kogu ne so wia wa wie na make us Rich ye nya baby a call up wanya no 100% da e bi nsi da e na e bi nso ensi da but Rich generally even though squad here ho ya on and now him say Rich number say me make a case for local players but trust you me to me boa me share squad critically Rich clearly Diebenya ni enya no clearly me to me bosan squad ni bi omba no
o share squad na friend na
oh
your local player be pa na mo de mu mi ni kan kre
yes
ye betumi am make case pa dia man say based on the players na ye do mo kobo world cup no and I call up na ye de kobo goals no player some de ni gina na me de sa player ya fe no kobo goals and I world cup no me de ni gina ho a wa ya de chen
exactly oh yeah obekwa ko raise the issue of Atakumi but one kasa unsa wo kana mpo wa no be you asem no e be wo
Atakumi na kasa no ye ball league ni we di ensem na ye ni atena krumu aka
exactly Rich okra be your day opa ko
mo say ne ba ne sana brantia even obo game kra 3 goals share ne den ne ba ne sana otimi share 6 goals in a particular game
Rich
ave o wi akwa case di Amazon ko Black Stars
asem no it's Rich
ala brem na mintie o ni ye na NBA lines no